Let's go. Let's start it. I'm here again. This is the 71 where I try to speak in English to improve it. And today I decided to do something from from another days. And let's go. I hear in this site, site, and I wanna see what I have here. This is the first time that I enter, that I access this site. The first time, yeah, this is the first time that I'm here. I'm here in this site. So let's see. Let's here have flies, some flies. Because that it is all it's all here in the camera. In the camera. My my explication is so good, but let's go. Let's do this. Let's see doing this work. Uh, Random facts. Yeah. Random and interesting facts about literally everything. Literally. 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 Literally everything. Is this is right? Is this right? Uh, Random interesting facts about everything. That's right. You didn't misread. Here are the fact site. Here are the fact site. Fact site. Here yeah, we were celebration or third birthday, and we want to celebrate it hugely. Let me see, on thousands may seem like a lot. That's because if you don't have time to read them out now, bookmakers, what's this here? I don't know. Oh, this is not so good. This is maybe this is at the end. I don't know how to say this, but let's see some fact here. That don't oh, let me put this here. Yeah, one habit of intelligent human being is yearly 10, 10 the highest mountain. I don't know. I don't understand. This is five. This is this. This is the fact. Oh, I don't like it. I was hoping for something more great, more, different, yeah, more different. But it's not so beautiful to see. Yeah, I was hoping for something more clear, more beautiful, but have juicy letters. Art buff, a baby panda is a small. Oh, come on. A baby panda is smaller than a mouse. Iceland does not have a highway system. Iceland don't have a highway system. Oh, this is not good. Hmm, this is. Let me see here another one. Yeah, I'm not here doing this, and I stopped it for see another one side. But they go here is about detective here. In definition, detective, we give you an obscure word with four possible definitions. Only one is correct. The other three we make up. Can you identify the real meaning from the task? From the from the fakes, yeah. From the fakes. And here have this. I would say this is the first time that I see this word. So here, this word means a person who prefers to be barefoot. I don't know, maybe not. I would say not. Pirate, a raccoon, a target, target, and attain the other target party. Free boat. I say pirate. And choice. Correct. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. Free boat. Delivered from the Dutch. We boat. We boat. I don't know. I don't know how this word is pronounced. Meaning pirate of pirate or private. Oh, and for the next question, next thing, pots. Yo, what is this? Pots. A porthole, 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 port. I don't know. To burst with emotion. To start a two-pronged fork. Oh, pot. Uh, now it is more difficult for me. Uh, I don't know what I choose here because I never had seen this word before, and I don't have no idea about what what this is mean, but let me see. Ports. Ports. Ports? It's ports. Is right my pronunciation or not? Oh, it's like here. And let me see, I'll say this. But, no. Mm, I'll show you this again, but no. I'll just this. Oh. No, 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 no. I had to choose the right question, the right one, and I come back and chose the wrong question. Oh no. Uh, so let's move. Let's continue. Um, Prat comes from the Yiddish word "prat", meaning to crack or split. Oh, so well done. You read all the definition of detective. Share your results. Play again. I wanna play one more. Definition start. Source. Calculate. Again. Yeah, again. Or is this thing here is repeating or repeating the same question. Yeah. So what now? What I do here? What you have for me doing here? Don't twist quiz. What is object left on the moon? Uh, don't twist key. I will twist this. Another quiz. And let's go. No. How can I? Come on. Here. Here. This is all. Here it all. Oh, what? Mm, no, again. Let me see, come on. Nothing again. I'm here and I don't speak so much. I just say some words and my this don't improve. This don't make my improvement going for another level. My English go for another level. And yeah, it is. Now, it's because I don't have so much things, so many things to speak now, so many things to say now. I just wanna do something different. Yeah, yeah. Come on. We when the lyrics of a hit song through 6 different languages, then translated them back into English. Can you figure out the name of the song? Oh, here. Oh man. Type your answer here. I don't know. So let me see. So turn on the moonlight if a short play for me. If we succeed, we will see peace in everyone's eyes. No idea. I have no idea. So can we go for the next? I will seek for another thing here. What's the can connect connection? Can you solve this all the time? Why yeah. This is it. Uh, where is it? Where is it? This one where the dates back to the 1920. Yeah, 1920s. Can you figure out the answer? Let's go. Let me see. A time each day it's rests upon my lap, as still as if I sleep, but takes no nap. I don't repeat it once. No child, for it is sleep. Yet I confess I sometimes press it for my lips. Write your answer below. I don't know, and I don't know what the answer here. Oh man, this is so frustrating. Yeah, this is so frustrating for me. And let's relax, because I wanna improve it. But I'm not improving. I don't. My progress here are not improving. Yeah, I'm just say something, then it's not so good. I'm not speak so much that he was for me or speaking. That was to me speaking. Yeah, I have some troubles to speak. Some troubles, some troubles, not so many troubles. Yeah, so many troubles. Where is Jesse? Oh no. Uh, I wanted some. I wanted. I wanted. I want is I want. I want. Yeah, I wanted and I went. I wanted. I went. I want. I want something good, something more fun for doing, but not or I not found. Yeah, I not found nothing. Definition of technique, doing two skis. Was this object left on the moon? Was the connection? So let's go. Let's see. Uh, 2, 1. This is why they let me angle. They let me brave angle again. Had have so many places, and this thing is come logo. This thing coming here. This is fly. This fly come here for this disturb me. Disturb me. Disturb me. Yeah, this way. Disturb me. I don't know. Probably, I'm saying something bad, some bad words. My pronunciation is bad. I'm I'm tired. I'm tired this. I'm tired this thing. Yeah. I just wanna finish it now. I'm tired. I'm I'm sick of it. Uh, big big questions. Amazing fact, entertainment. Um, Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, not sure, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Oh, what happened here? The entertainment, for entertainment. Uh, I say, right now, the truth is that I don't know what to say now is that I have something in mind, my thoughts, and I just wanna do another thing. Sometimes I think maybe YouTube, maybe the YouTube channel, maybe the thing is not for me, and I'm tired. I think I try and nothing work. I'm always tired. Yeah, I'm always tired. I'm always thinking about the life, about things. I'm always doing things, and in the end of the day, this thing is not important. Is not or not working for me or for my purpose. And this thing let me driving me tired, driving me angry. Is angry? I'm I'm angry. Is angry? Uh, yeah, yeah. But come on, big question, amazing fact. Why this is not open? My Father, Jesus Christ. Hallelujah. Let's speak about God. Jesus Christ is my Father, and forever I want to stay by by his side, by their side, by his side, by his side. Sometimes I wish for God, for Jesus come back, for Jesus come back more son, like how I explain this better. I'm here and I wanna, I wish, I wish that is for Jesus. I wish Jesus come back. Yeah, I wish Jesus come back. More son, more son is son, more son. I just go back more son. And, oh, and what? I don't know. Ah, what I do now? Nothing. Right now, I don't know if I'm speaking English or I'm speaking Portuguese because when I start speaking English, this is thinking like something like my mind become become white, white, become white, become clear. Yeah, like my mind don't have don't have so many things. Like I don't can notice it right now. Yeah, like I'm thinking what I will say, but in this same time, I don't think in the word that I will say. I just think it's an idea, and suddenly I put this word out. If and this thing only happen in English, because in Portuguese I'm able to speak clear, I'm able to understand and do so many things. And when I speak in English, when I'm speaking English, I notice it. I notice it. I think the word that I wanna say, and it's something I think. But in English, this is the thing that happen, and this is not prove that my English is not so good yet. That I need to improve. I need more time to expose myself, and when I watch some other person speaking English, I understand what this person are saying, but when I will speak, I I forget or I have troubles. Yeah, like let's say that right now I'm finish it to watch some video, and right now I wanna say that same words that was said in the video, but I don't can. I forget I just pick the main idea, but the word that was said or things like that, I don't remember. I think like let's say that right now I watch something, but the thing that I watched coming, I understood it, and this thing was translated so fast to my main language, that is Portuguese. For I translate so fast for my mind, for my language Portuguese, and I understand and I pick that idea, and right now I can describe this idea in Portuguese so well. But when I will do this in English, I have troubles. Probably because I don't have so many vocabulary. My vocabulary in English, vocabulary is small. Yeah, I don't have one great vocabulary in English, and because that I have this kind of trouble. And also I have a trouble with the structure. Sometimes, most times, I make I make mix, I make confusion between between the the structure from Portuguese and in English. I mix these two things. Sometimes I say some word in English using the structure from Portuguese. Yeah, and most times I do this, and probably if someone see this, if someone see me speaking, probably this person will understand. So yeah, I think this way. Probably this person don't will understand me because I do all doing this mistake. But one thing that what I do for me improve, for me don't do this mistake. For me, I'm not doing so many things, so many efforts to try to improve this. I just watching so many things, listening so many things, and reading. I just doing these two things, watching and reading. Yeah, I just doing this. I focus much in the input. Yeah, in the input. Just absorbing. Just let more words, let things happen naturally. Yeah, I know if I started study more and do more things, probably I would be in better right now. But uh, I'm lazy. Yeah, I'm lazy to do this kind of thing. Uh, it is. But now I have so many things happen in my life, so many thoughts, so many preoccupations. But I don't will say this thing here. Yeah, let's let the how say pass this in Portuguese in English. Let us put this thing away. Let's put my problems, my things away from this moment. Yeah, put away from this moment from because this moment is for me try improve and not to think about it troubles, yeah, troubles, problems, yeah. And so now I finish. Uh, was for me speaking for in English for a long time, yeah. More time, like 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours. I had already. I've already think about that, about it. I take one day and start speaking, start speak for all day long. But I never do this. I never do this. This is why I just kind of pense, kind of thought, the kind of thought that came in my mind, and I never try. Yeah. So, what I do now? I think if I finish and go to watch something or to go into sleep, or just stay here for more time and try something. My plan for today, not to work. This is like here, not what I hope that I was hoping for. Yeah, come on, this is not good. Come on, and building the economy. Yeah, building it. Is so life is so hard, you know. So many times that we are thinking about the money, about the getting rich, about the doing or doing things for sake of your wealthy, for sake of our wealthy. Things like that let me tired. One thing is, if I was rich, if I was born rich, if I were, yeah, if I were born rich, I should, I would, I would focus on right now. I would focus on in learn languages, yeah, learn so many languages because I like it. Since I started learning English, I like it. This is thing, this is fact. I will learn English, and right now I had two languages that I wanna learn. Two, three, three languages. That is German, Spanish, and Korean. I had these three languages that I wanna learn, but because I had to try get to try get become rich, try get money, is getting money. Right now I don't can focus in this one. This is English. This is language. So even think, what will I describe? What is the better word for me to describe this? Uh, Sound? No. The word from describe this is I don't know. Right now not come. Uh, None work on my mind. Uh, Something bad, something sad. I would say, oh yeah, I would say something sad. Sad because I had to do something that I don't like. Yeah, I had to do something that I don't like, something that don't let me happy. Yeah, this thing is like that I'm trying to do. I'm trying. So another thing is I'm trying another thing that is how to say create create another kind of content for the YouTube channel in my another channel. In my another YouTube channel, and there I'm doing something that I don't like. That is edition. Yeah, I don't like to have. I don't like to have to edit the video. Have to edit the video. And I spend so many times doing that, doing this thing, that thing, and for me, I like if you ask for me decide now what I wanna do and what I want to do for all my life, things like that, or like if it's right now I had how I become millionaire and what I will do now. Uh, what I will buy something, buy my own house, buy my own transportation, and my own transportation, my own car, yeah, my own car, and help some families, some families mine, and do some other things, and focus in learning another language, yeah. Because started, I started like this process, this thing, this fact. When I see like I'm here watch some video and suddenly I start watch some video and in that video have two persons or this person speaking more than one language and this person start speaking another language and I understand this language and this is good. I was watching some videos and this person starts speaking Portuguese, sometimes sometimes speaking spoken in English or in Spanish, and I understand it. I was able to understand it. And how and as so many persons already know English and Portuguese or similar or have so many words that are the same. And for me, I think if I started if I started to study Spanish now, probably I would learn this language so fast. Probably 6 months. Yeah, I say that because Spanish is so close to Portuguese, and and how say this, and and for more that I had already never studied. I had already never studied. this language. I and some another person, eh, another, I and another English, Portuguese speakers, we are able to understand, yeah, understand so many things in Spanish. So, because that, I think it's a way, probably 6 months, at 6 months, after 6 months, probably I would already, I would, I would already start speaking English, start speaking Spanish, yeah, Spanish, and heavy Korean, I started learning Korean for maybe some days, but I had to give up, to give up, to give up early learning Korean because that thing, because of money, because I had to focus on earn money, yeah, because that I don't have time to study this another language because I had to doing another thing. And for this language, for how many time, I don't know. Probably will be more time for me learn this language. Probably 1 year or because I don't have 1 year in speaking English yet, studying English, speaking English. I had 12 months since I started learning English, and after, let me say that after 8 months, 8 or 9 months, like 8 or 9 months, I started speaking English. So, and yeah, I started speaking English, and 7, 6, 7 months, I started understanding. Yeah, thing like that. So I started understanding English, and months later, I started speak. And it was fast because I had some person. Some person said that they don't that they study English for more than 2 years or things like that, and they don't speak in English yet. Yeah, and I mean, if I compare with this person, I'm doing good work. Yeah, things like that. I'm doing good work, and I'm doing good. So one thing that I had to say about that is I had a time. I I had time for doing this, for speaking English, because some persons had jobs, had works for doing. But me, for my case, I don't had I'm not working now, and I spend my time learning English, studying English. I watching things in English, and get try earning money, try having money. Yeah, but for me, put another language, I don't have time for this. I don't have time for put another language to start learn another language. And another fear that I have is about if I start learning another language, And this thing, how say, atrapalha. This thing, mess it up. And this thing, mess it up. One, one, one language mess it up another. One another. Like like English mess it up with Korea, not Korea, mess it up with Spain, with English, yeah. Ah, I don't know if I said I described it well, but it's like that. One language mess it up with another, with one another. I don't know. Oh, and yeah, is this I finish now or not? And if I start speak with someone now, with some person now, would I express me well? Would this person understand me or not? Or I mean, just here speaking so many things and nobody understand. I had so many had so many thoughts like that in my mind here, and yeah, it is. One day, I think, one day I will have this chance to speak, to talk with someone. And for now, I will finish this video. And is this? Come on. Yeah, is this? I will finish this video. And this is the day 71. Yeah, it's 71. And thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus Christ.